Hello, in this video we will be showing you how to navigate through the Digital Theatre Plus resource, which is available primarily for students studying performance art, providing written and video resources ranging from full-length productions of plays to interviews to graphic novel illustrations and written material about a particular playwright. To see what resources are available for you, on the main page scroll down towards the bottom of the page until you come across the table of contents. On the titles section on the left side of the screen, click on All Titles. You'll be taken to the following page, which will list the number of productions available to you in alphabetical order. On the left side of the screen, you will find the filter options, where you can choose from a category of genres to themes. When you select a particular genre, for example romance, you will see that the results on screen will change automatically. For the following example, we will click on 15 heroines to show you what happens next. You'll be taken to the following page, where you'll be given a brief synopsis of what the production is. If you scroll down further, you'll find the production section. And for example, if you click on 15 Heroines, The Desert, you'll be taken to the following screen, where you can watch the production in a video format, where you can switch it to full screen as well as turn on subtitles.
Yep, to speed of 1, 2, 3, and 4, and sound. Yes, please.
Sound speed.
Everyone's at speed. Stand by.
If you scroll down the video player, you will find the following options: related resources and information. If you switch to information, you will find information about the cast, who produced the play, and who it was written and directed by. Back on the production page, you will find written resources about the production, which you can read in a PDF format as well as have the option to print the document and even download it.